In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect two apps inside make.com. When chatting with other business owners, they say sometimes getting up and running with the tech from a basic level is the biggest blocker they have with getting up and running with a new platform. So if you're a business owner and you've been putting off using make.com, I'm going to show you how to quickly connect two apps inside make.com so then you can get up and running using automations and AI in your business. So I'm inside make.com. I've got this little area called playground. So I'm just going to create a new scenario. I'm just going to call it YT connect two apps. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to actually pull from Google Sheets. So I'm just going to select the Google Sheet. And then I am going to do just search rows for now. And I'll just close out of that because I won't show you what I'm going to do. And then the simplest way to connect a new app is if you do add a new module, and as you can see, make.com's quite clever at just doing it for you and starting the link. So I'm going to actually say I'm going to do some sort of email sending, which will create a draft. So then that's the simple way to connect two apps. Now, if someone has found that you've got this, where you've got two apps that are disconnected and you've got these little error warnings saying, oh, well, we've not got any information coming in. And you get to this point, because what I see a lot of people on YouTube showing people is these complicated connections that they've created in make.com, these crazy workflows. And I think it scares some people off. But you don't need to be scared of this. It's very, very intuitive and easy to use. It's just a case of clicking this little plus button here, and then you can drag it across. And there you go, it's connected it back again. So these little bumps you can sort of drag and connect. So I'll just quickly do that again to show you. You just basically click the add another module, and it's trying to connect it to this plus here. But as you can see, I've dragged it to the email and it's connected it for me. So it's that simple. So I'll just quickly run through. I'm going to select select from my Drive spreadsheet ID. I'm going to do bloggers. So I'm going to say I'm emailing a lot of bloggers. So sheet name, new leads. And this is how simple it is. Once you've got your information, I'm not going to do a filter on that. Click save. Now you've put this connection in, it's make.com's going to do all sort of the suggestion for you. So all you need to do is double click this email node now, and then for the subject line or the content, actually I'll do a to recipient. So to add a recipient, you've got the email address. Now if you click inside that box, make.com's fantastic at looking at what you've connected. I'm going, right, okay then, what do you want to use from that? And it's a case of going, well, in the spreadsheet, column B is our email address where we put all the email addresses in. And all you need to do now is drag it across. And you see they've got this the mouse icon will change with a little plus button, a little shortcut icon, and then click. And it's in there, and then it should appear. For the subject line, it does the same again, but you can just close that and just type in test. And the same again, content test, and close that. And then you've connected it. If you click save, it will tell you which, just a little bit of an issue. So we do drafts, we'll save that in a draft. I want to save it as a draft. Just click save on that, and then you've connected the two apps. You can do a save and a run one, so I'm not going to run it because I've got people's emails in there. But that's how simple it is to connect two apps. Then what the system is amazing at is giving you all the information that you can use to then drag and drop and pass the information from the first node to the second node and get up and running. I've got these two other videos about make.com, so if you need help getting up and running, watch one of these two videos and it'll help you get moving forward with using automations inside make.com.